What's up guys, it's me your Jamie Geek. So here are the top 5 Motorola Moto E5 Plus case. The number 50 case is from Tikko, a simple beautiful case come with the holster, you can't go wrong with it. And number 4 is case from Hunes, a simple beautiful honeycomb case. Again, look at the beauty of it, I really love it. And number three case is from Rebex. I mean, look at that, two cases. I mean, you are getting two cases for price of one. And number two is a rocket case, but this is not a tight style case, this is a little bit different, I really love it. And number one, my favorite case is from Anki. I mean, look at it. Look, this stand is very elegant. So all of the case link are in the description box. So it was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye.